We are today in La Cima 56, Club Campestre, San José del Cabo. A luxury home with breathtaking ocean and golf courses views. The location, Club Campestre San José del Cabo. The price is $1,690,000. The construction site is 3,206.48 square feet. The lot size is 5,800 square feet. The bedroom is 4.5. The views is ocean and golf course. The year built 2020. The garage is 2 spaces and 1 here. So 3. Why is La Cima 56 a unique property? If you are looking for an exclusive home in Los Cabos that combines luxury, privacy, and stunning views, the Cima 56 in Club Campestre is the perfect opportunity. From the moment you walk in, you will be captivated by its modern architecture, floating staircase over a water feature, open concern design, and massive floor-to-ceiling windows, flaming breathtaking views on the Sea of the Cortez and the championship golf courses. Don't miss this opportunity. Properties like this in Club Campestre are in high demand and their value continues to rise. I am Carlos Andreu, a real estate agent with Century 21, and my goal is to help you find the perfect property in Los Cabos. If you are interested in the residences, click the link to learn more about Club Campestre and the exclusivity amenities. Club Campestre, a prime location with growing value. Did you know that Club Campestre is one of the fastest growing communities in Los Cabos? This established in 2007, Club Campestre has become one of the most exclusive areas in San José del Cabo. Now for this 24/7 security, privacy, and prime location, just minutes from downtown and the beach access. Why you invest here? High appreciation. Properties values in Club Campestre have increased by up to 30% in recent years. So the privacy and exclusivity gated community with 24/7 security and controlled access. Unbeatable location, just 10 minutes from Los Cabos International Airport and 5 minutes from the best beaches and restaurants in San José del Cabo. Perfect for retirement or investment. High-end properties with excellent rental income potential. Opportunities like this don't last long on the market. Contact me to learn more about this investment. Club Campestre, golf courses designed by Jack Nicklaus. For golf lovers, living in La Cima 56 means begin inside a true golfer's paradise. Designed by golf legend Jack Nicklaus, this 18-hole par 70-wall course is now for this strategic layout, stunning ocean views, and seamless integration with the Baja California desert landscape. Semi-private course, exclusive for residents and guests, ensuring a premium golf experience. Year-round, perfect conditions thanks to Los Cabos' ideal climate. The course stays in the top shape 365 days a the year. Exclusive events and tournaments perfect for networking with other high-level residents and investors. I am Carlos Andreu, a real estate agent Century 21, and I love to guide you through the buying process. Click the link to explore more about Club Campestre and these exclusive amenities. La Cima 56 features and layout. Ground floor, open concept living room with panoramic views. Government kitchen, fully equipment with high-end appliances and quartz countertops. Dining and areas with direct access to the terrace. Master suite with private bedroom and walk-in closet. Climate controlled wine cellar. Spacious laundry room and service quarters with with a full bedrooms, open floor, second master suite with a private terrace and panoramic views. 2 additional bedrooms, one currently used as an office or entertainment room. Outdoor spaces, infinity pool with ocean and golf courses views, terrace with barbecue areas, and outdoor first pit for enjoying Los Cabos starry nights. Imagine enjoying every sunset from your private terrace with a glass or wine and breathtaking views, or tea or coffee if you don't drink alcohol. Exclusive club golf courses in Campestre amenities. Living in Cima 56 is not just about owning a spectacular home. It's about enjoying world-class amenities included. Private beach club with pools, oceanfront, restaurants, and exclusive service for residents. Preferred access to the Jack Nicklaus golf course. Tennis, pickleball courts, walking and biking trails. 24/7 security with controlled access. So, don't miss the change to live in one of Los Cabos' most exclusive communities. Contact me for more information or a private tour. I am a Carl Andreu real estate agent at Century 21 Paradise Properties. My phone is +52 56 65 84 34 46. So don't forget, follow me in this video. Do you have questions or want to learn more? I am here to guide your every step of the way. Call now or send me a message to schedule a private tour on this incredible property. Don't forget, subscribe in my channel.